So question number 5 in my top 5 questions I get most commonly asked is, how does a Waterjet stack up against other coating technologies? So the biggest thing to remember with your Waterjet, as I said previously, it will cut absolutely anything. And that's the thing that stands it out from other technologies. We don't try and sell a Waterjet to replace a laser. We don't try and sell a Waterjet to replace a CNC. They all have their place. What the Waterjet is perfect for is complementing those other technologies. If you've got thicker materials and you've got a lot of different materials that you want to cut, then a Waterjet will take care of that for you. Okay, so why are CNC shops buying Waterjets? Again, it comes down to versatility. Waterjet cutting is a fantastic complementary technology to your CNC equipment. You don't want to tie your CNCs up doing that roughing work. They're there to do precision machining work. Use the Waterjet to prepare those billets, to prepare those shapes ready to be machined. It's going to save you material because you're going to be able to get the parts closer together on the material there. And it's going to save you time and it's going to save you money because they're cheaper to run and they're faster at producing raw profiles. So laser shops are buying Waterjets because it gives them that versatility. With their laser they can cut some aluminiums, steels, stainless steels, and it cuts it brilliantly. They're doing thousands off, the laser will fly through that work, doing a fantastic job. But these days you've got to be versatile, you've got to be able to adapt. And that's what the Waterjet brings to a laser shop, is the ability to be able to cut thicker materials, lower quantities faster. It just makes them more versatile and more agile. So hopefully that's answered some of your questions regarding Waterjet cutting. I've been in the industry now for 25 years. Not much I haven't seen in terms of what a Waterjet can do or what you could possibly achieve with your Waterjet. So if you've got any questions, you want to know how it can help you, you want to have a chat around what it is that you do and see if a Waterjet can fit into your application, give me a call. My name's Matt Weaver, I work for Headland Machinery.